Buck, you're funny. Here comes Ellie.
No, let's not chew on that baby cat.
Let's see if you can brush Ellie. Yeah, good luck with that. Oh, I wish Woodrow would join you. Come on, Woodrow. I can see your ears. Oh, you're funny. I can see his tail now. Hey, babies. Y'all are mighty cute. Now give Bucky a kiss, too. Woodrow, you could come get a kiss.